Thanks for joining us today. In today's video, we're going to do some washing, make friends with the cow, go to the pub, and then go to another pub. But first, let's go have some breakfast. All right, let's go do some washing.
Domesticity.
A little bag.
Everything here.
Oh, there she is. Would you go around? All right. Let's go find a laundry service. Beautiful. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Laundry, please.
Yeah, okay,
How much?
25 a kilo.
That's it. We'll do it.
1.5, brother.
1.5. Fantastic. Yeah, 8 o'clock. All right. Oh, we've got a friend.
I can. It's got a good spot. Figured it out.
Hello. Oh, it's got the fan.
Yeah. It's stupid.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
Not like plane, boss. Helicopter.
Helicopter.
From Bali.
Found a birthday dress for you.
Banana. Ukle. Ukle.
Yeah.
That's real, boss. Original.
Original.
Oh, it's real.
Bali original.
No, real bullshit.
1.5. 38. Right. Let's go. See the sacred cow?
Head meadow.
Come on, we'll go see the sacred cow.
That's creepy.
Well, we're not going to be walking in there. Oh, head pats.
That's gotta be cool, doesn't it? Meditate.
Well, this is where you park your bike if you want to go to the beach. Want to stop at Stumpys? Oh, we'll stop at Stumpys.
It's a break. breaking traffic.
I think we'll get some good service if we stop at Stumpy's.
How are they going to hold the cups though?
Oh, my bar. Hello, hello.
Stinking.
Thinking? Oh, we'll go. Have a drink. Hello. Just gonna sit down. Let's maybe sit over there.
Proper.
Huh? You want to sit here or sit there? Huh?
Oh, actually, it's not in here. Sick.
Cool. Can we get a large beer?
Yeah.
And an Albans.
Nice as well.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Gotta cool down, eh?
Gonna pay the bill. Let's go. We can always come back for a stop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright. No. All draft beer and cider. 25.
Well, that's a 105.
No. Alright.
I got draft cider.
Oh, we'll have a look.
Room temperature chicken.
Oh, they got they got
40.
they got
What time did it say?
well, it's from 1 till 5.
Yeah, 20
1 to
minutes.
5, 20 minutes. Yeah. They'll just put the logo. Yep. Well, where's the cider? Which one do you
Yeah,
want?
so a cider.
Apple cider and
Lager.
lager.
Maybe we should get 2 just before I go.
We'll try it first.
No? Alright. How is it? Ice in the sun.
Tastes like a Stumpy.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah, we'll try it. It won't taste like any cider you've ever had before.
Oh yeah, you can smell it. It's like a sweet sort of stuff.
Yeah, but it's got acidity to it too.
Ooh.
Interesting, isn't it?
Ready to go?
Another!
To our next stop. Oh, we didn't pay for that one, did we?
You guys just walk off.
We better pay.
You can never come back again. How long should we sit?
Huh?
1 or 2?
1.
You don't have any money left, do you?
Both go potty.